There's just something special about walking out of an Apple store and with that iconic bag in your hand. And today, inside this Apple bag is Apple's brand new iPad Air M4. Even before opening it, the package really feels so premium. Minimal, clean, classic Apple. I already knew this was going to be a satisfying unboxing experience, and peeling these tabs off never gets old. Wow, this is such a satisfying moment. And here it is, the brand new iPad Air M4 in this stunning purple finish. It's simple, elegant, incredibly thin and super lightweight and feels premium the moment you hold it. It's amazing. And inside the box, we also get the USB-C charging cable, the power adapter for charging the iPad. It's extremely important. And the documentation. Everything feels neatly designed and premium. And now talking about the specs, this is the 11-inch iPad Air powered by Apple's new M4 chip, paired with 256 GB of storage. It features a stunning liquid retina display, ultra-fast performance, Apple Pencil support, USB-C connectivity, and enough power to handle editing, gaming, multitasking, and basically anything you throw at it. And honestly, for how thin and light this device is, the amount of power packed inside this feels insane. And now for the best part, turning it on for the very first time. That Apple logo never gets old. And the moment the Hello screen appeared, it instantly gave that classic Apple experience. Clean animations, smooth setup, and minimal design. Everything feels polished. I quickly went through the setup, connected the Wi-Fi, selected the appearance settings, and within minutes, the iPad Air M4 was finally ready, and wow. And I have a feeling this is going to become one of my favorite Apple devices. And I'm just getting started.